Hey, good morning. Scott here with Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us today. We're going to get into a couple of things, hopefully. I got to replace these two posts on this fence here that rotted out on me. It's those rail posts. So this is one of the old ones, and there's another one down there. So we're going to get these replaced today, and then see what else we can get into. I really want to get this aerator put into the pond. So hopefully we'll just work out here today. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. Hang tight, let's get going. I think that's pretty close. I think what we'll do is we'll cut the bottom off, get it down, so we only need I might just cut maybe 3 inches off of that. I'm gonna get this one down here dug out, so let's jump on that one next. Alright, let me work on this one, I'll come back with you. Alright, we're going to see if this other one fits. Yep. It's going to work. Let me get the rails down here and set them in there and see what it looks like. We may have to cut 2 or 3 inches off the bottom for them to set in there right. I think this needs to go down a little bit, but I want her to come look at it and see things. I think it's got to come down probably 3 inches. I think I need to cut about 3 inches off that middle one. Stand back over there and see what you think.
Height-wise?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
It looks taller. Well, it's quite a bit taller.
It's about 3 inches.
I know it needs to cut it.
Yeah. So if I take 3 inches off there, and then see where we're at with that one. Probably 1 or 2 off of that one down there.
You're gonna take it off the top or the bottom?
That'll be the bottom. Why? Did you take it off the top before?
No, I'm seeing if you're paying attention to me.
Oh. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So let me take that off.
Whoa.
Pretty close right there.
Yeah, but this needs to go down just a little more.
What?
Huh?
What does?
It's all going slanting downhill. This one is not slanting at all.
You're thinking it's straight.
This is straight across. This needs to go slanting down slightly like this one.
Would you like 2 more inches or another inch?
Oh.
I mean, we're already at the...
I know, but I'd at least do 1 inch. Because you need it all to go slanting.
Take another inch off.
Huh?
We'll take another inch off. How's that look? I think that's better. I should probably go down a little bit more, yeah. I took 1.5 inches off.
You split down the middle between 1 inch. Is it down a little more?
Yeah.
Does it look like it's going downhill though?
I hate to go any further because the pipe is...
As long as it's kind of like gradually going downhill.
I think it is.
Okay.
Take a little bit off this one.
Huh?
Take a little bit off this one.
Pull it back on. I'm cold.
It's a little downhill, isn't it?
That's fine. It looks good, but it needs to go that way.
You're right in front of the audience.
Oh, I didn't know recording. Sorry.
Or
Bleep that out.
are a little bit less than 1 million subscribers.
Bleep that out.
Yeah, that looks good. That'll work. That will work.
Put it back. You gonna replace this one? You need to replace this one. All the way through. Okay?
Character.
Huh? No. I'll put all the way through. You got plenty of them.
Uh-oh.
What?
That's a little short.
Well, cut this one. It's hollow on one end. Remember? Do it like this.
Yeah, that's too short. Okay, I'm gonna get a long one for over here, and we get the fence back up. I heard something break. Oh, jeez. Oh, like that. Oh. Yeah, I think that'll work. It might still be a little bit high right there, but I think it's okay. We'll see what she says.
I already got the bow in it. Is that what you're going with?
You ready to push that way?
Push which way?
That way.
Everything push? Can you see it?
No, the other way.
Right now.
We got that one post in. So we get this one set here. That's much better. I think it's always been broke the entire time we've lived here, hasn't it? Well, it had all those vines and stuff on there, at least.
Yeah, but I think with Mother Nature and the rain, it just finally finally gave in.
Alright, so got the post in, got the rails in. We just got to work on the fence. I got to get that fence back over on this side and then cut out part of it because it's full of vines. So that's what's next. All right, let's just take that end, put it down here, and then we'll just end it wherever we want to end it. All right, we just about got this wrapped up. I got to put a few more staples on it. Okay, I think that is gonna do it. Got that on back there. That's all. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, I think this is where we're gonna end this video. Got this fence back up. This was another project that was on our 2026 project list, and so we're gonna mark this off and keep going on the list. So thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and if you don't mind, take the time, hit the subscribe button there, like, and share with your friends, and we'll catch you next video. Take care.